Hi, I'm Sarah Owen with the Southwest Florida Community Foundation. Thanks so much for taking a time to watch this video and learn a little bit more about the 3D project. Some of you may have heard of it, and some of you may have even attended some of our informational seminars. 3D is simple. It stands for data, dialogue, and decisions. The Foundation wants to collect as much regional data as possible and also get your input on your organization's capacity needs. The reason we're doing this is not to make an assessment, to make judgments on funding or who receives funding, but rather to increase funding in the area. We know at these difficult times, the more funding we can bring to the region, the better. Through the 3D project, we'll create a regional call to action on issues that affect all of us, and we'll be able to help build capacity in our organizations. The way you can help us is by taking the Capacity Assessment Survey. A list of instructions and how-tos is included in this email. Be sure to review those. I can tell you it'll only take you about 35 to 45 minutes of your time. And the main thing is we really want honest answers. We know the temptation is to give ourselves all fives to put our best foot forward, but what we really want to do is make sure that we're getting an accurate look at the capacity in the region. We really need your help. Please know that all of your responses will remain confidential. We won't share them with anyone else, and we will only use them to increase funding to help you build capacity. They won't be used for any other reason. We also need you to share this link with a number of people, but please don't forward the link yourself. Instead, follow the attached directions, and you'll send names to Ann Douglas here at the Community Foundation, and she'll forward them along to you. Again, remember, we're just trying to help build capacity, so be honest and urge the others that are taking the capacity survey to be honest and authentic as well. We so appreciate your involvement, and if you have any questions, there's a lot of attached information, or give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for your participation, and we look forward to partnering with you to increase the funding in our region and to help build your capacity so you can serve more people than ever before.